Crossing in front of first platoon, Bravo Company. Crossing in front, second platoon, Bravo Company. At the same manner, rendering salute to our general lines. Dayon na itong saksiyan ng igsunan ng atong Beloved Chief in Command na sa paglantaw sa kinalibukang linya dahil sa batalyon from Alpha to Bravo Company. Nakuha pa ang correct distance between platoons, correct distance between squads, and the correct lateral distance between elements. So today to the next company, down to Charlie Company. Crossing in front, first platoon, Charlie Company. Crossing in front, second platoon, Charlie Company. Dahil natong saksiyan ang reaksyonan ng atong Beloved Chief in Command, together with our general lines and general staff, so nasa paglantaw sa pinagkikong linya dahil sa atong mga estudyante sa ECIBS Corneres ko. Kasubat, tapos ang paglantaw na itong ginawag ng mga general, hindi pa yung Beloved Chief in Command, they're approaching